Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping in on Rollercoin because today Rollercoin is 4 years old. Can you believe it? 4 years this program has been going and paying, and they've got some presents for us. That's right. We're going to go and open our presents right now. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Excuse me. Okay, so here we are in my Rollercoin account. And the last time we did a video on Rollercoin was about 8 days ago. So 8 days ago, our bonus power was at 145.66. You can now see we're at 147.28, and that is basically because I crafted some of my small miners together. So basically, for those that are not sure what that does, is you'll take, if you've got more than one miner of the same type, what you can do, you can actually craft them together by going into this area here, and it gives you the option of basically crafting. And you, as long as you've got, say, if I had two of those and I had, so it would give me a tick saying I have enough miners collected and I also have enough parts. The parts means things like cables, fans, circuit boards and stuff like that, which you will find in your inventory here, which they do give away. They give plenty of airdrops of these kind of things in the free games. And then basically what you do is you'd select to craft them together. And then what that does, that basically gives that miner a bigger amount of power, but it also gives your bonus power a bit of a boost as well. I personally always like to hang on to an original one because you get, so if you have three of these miners and you keep one, so you keep the original, one as an original, you'll get the original amount of power, but you also get the original bonus boost. And then what you can do with the other two is you can craft them together, so that then gives you a miner that has more power, but then it gives you a second bonus boost on that crafted miner. So that's what I always try and hang on to one. Zek Moreau, who is one of my Discord member, he basically suggests just crafting, even if you've only got two, to craft them together, because that will give you more power and it will give you a bigger bonus boost, which I do agree with. But if you can then get hold of an original as well, that's also gonna give you that original boost back and the original amount of power. But I do agree with him that basically if you've got two, then it is worth just crafting those two together, and hopefully you'll be able to pick up one of the original miners when the market opens up at a really cheap price. So that is a good hint and tip from Zek Moreau. And yeah, so like I said, and then 8 days ago, our actual total power was 59.988. You can now see we're at nearly 61 petahashes. That is basically because of, obviously, we've completed a few more levels in the season, and the prizes for those levels were some power boosts. Unfortunately, those power boosts will run out after a certain length of time, but it does give us that does push up our account for the moment until they are finished. We were at level 13 in the season. So if we drop in here, we can see the level we're at. Also as well, the weekly offers have returned. For those of you that have not seen that, it did get posted on Facebook. I don't think maybe it got posted on Twitter as well. I didn't see it on Discord, I don't believe, but I might have just missed it. Unfortunately, I didn't post it because I didn't see it till very late. So I'm sorry that was not posted in my community section as I normally do. But anyway, they are back. As for how long, because obviously they put them in and then they take them out. So not sure how long. and then we're at level 18. So in 8 days, we've managed to pick up 5 levels. We're at 76 XP on this level. Obviously, we've still got our games to do. I've done these 4, and then we've still got the games to play to try and get as close to completing that as possible. Okay, so the big reveal is I've been waiting for you to unwrap my presents, which is really difficult. I'm not very good at waiting for presents, you know, Christmas Eve and all that. Like, I just want to open them. I want to open them. So I've restrained myself to open my our birthday presents, because without us as members, Rollercoin would not be here. So it's our presents anyway. So they are for today. So if we click on wrap, and then we just open our presents here, see what we get. So we got 150,000 gig ashes, which is going to last 7 days, and that's it. Your presents have been right. So yeah, I mean, I don't. For those of you that obviously are watching this video, let us know what you got. What was your present? You saw that I got 150,000 gig ashes. It's going to last 7 days. Post in the below this video. What did you get? What did you receive? So I also like this nice message that Rollercoin put out, saying Rollercoin turns 4 amazing years of mining adventures, challenging quests, and wonderful events we came through together with our great community. It's hard to describe how much we love and appreciate every single member of our Roller family. Together we keep creating the greatest crypto mining game ever, and the best is yet to come. Happy birthday to all of us today. Lots of fun and special gifts are waiting for every roller. So like I say, you get to unwrap your presents. But I do agree in the sense of that, I mean, I've praised these guys no end of times, and I know I've also criticised some of the stuff they've done, especially when it comes to some of the events, and I still feel that they do need to sort of target the lower accounts a little more just to help you guys out. I do think the double, the idea of having 2 lots of quests, so you have, like on one side you'd have all the quests in the for the seasons for the people that have upgraded their pass, so basically they can go through all those quests, and then on the other side, prizes for people that want to stay free or can't afford to upgrade their pass, but they still get a prize every day, or every time, every level, should I say, not every day, every level. So, you know, yes, they would be lower prizes than the paid pass, but it means that the work you're putting in is still getting rewarded for that effort. Because I still don't agree that the fact that you, as non-paying pass holders or free pass holders, you still have to put in the exact same amount of work as paid pass holders, but you don't get all of the rewards. And I don't think that's right, and I think that is something that Rollercoin does need to change and does need to really look at, because I just don't think it's, I've said, I just don't think it's right. You know, I think if you're going to put that effort in, then you should be rewarded. Good to see our little character guy has got his happy birthday hat. We've also got that's no good, is it? We've got I think it's 2 birthday trophies, or 1 birthday trophy maybe, and that's the cake, but it's hidden. I can't see it. So yeah, and like I've said as well, you know, on the other side, the flip side, you know, in the positive, that Rollercoin do and are constantly upgrading this platform. They are constantly bringing new stuff to the platform. I mean, by now, after 4 years, I mean, I said this, I think, after like a year about Rollercoin, that most programs just sort of, that's it. Whatever you see after about a year, that is normally about how far that program gets taken, sometimes 2 years, but then the developers just sort of add very small things, usually cosmetic, nothing really to improve the platform, and then it just sits there and they just sort of reap the rewards, which fair enough. If it's a good platform and it's working, why not? But I like the fact that Rollercoin are constantly trying to come up with new things. Like, okay, we don't have the marketplace yet, but hopefully that is coming soon. The idea of crafting miners, I think that's a great idea. It means that obviously you're able to boost those miners, but two, also as well, is it frees up space on your racks so you can buy new miners, because they're always releasing limited miners, exclusive miners, whether it's for birthdays, Christmas, Halloween, whatever the event. They are doing this stuff. Yes, I know a lot of the stuff that we have to spend RLT for, but if you're working your program right, that RLT, excuse me, essentially should be sitting in your account anyway. With these programs, especially Rollercoin, because Rollercoin, you are constantly having to keep doing things, whether it be reinvest in exclusive miners to keep your account at a certain level. Like, I mean, I keep my account around about 100th place. I mean, I think I'm 111th at the moment, but I try and keep it around about 100th place. I'm not bothered about being number one. The amount of coins I'm able to withdraw from this account on a regular basis, I'm quite happy with, and that amount is building all the time. But you've got to constantly be working at it, whether it be playing the free games and then reinvesting, what you've earned into miners, or as I do, I don't normally play the games anymore unless it's part of the season pass like we're doing now, but I still reinvest. I still buy the exclusive miners, or the extra miners that they put out to keep my account moving forward, or actually just keep it at that 100th position. But like I say, I do still praise Rollercoin. I think they're doing some great stuff. They are bringing more stuff even now. And I'm excited to see what possibly the next 4 years could be. And, for those of you that are not part of this program yet, and you don't know a whole lot about Rollercoin, what I'll do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier review. Now, that's going to give you more details and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earning some of this free crypto. And I don't know, but if you sign up right now, you might even qualify for those birthday presents. So come and join us. And if you sign up through my link, you're also going to get 1,000 Satoshis deposited into your account as well. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found it helpful, fun and informative. And if you like what I do, it would be absolutely amazing if you could subscribe to my Patreon and support my channel for as little as $1, which then helps me bring more content to you. And if you're interested in those earlier videos that I talked about, put it on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.